In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Asana. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and ensure your team stays in sync, this beginner-friendly tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you need to do is sign into both your Asana and Notion accounts. Ensure you have access to the projects and workspaces you want to connect. Whether you manage projects, organize tasks, or oversee a team, having both tools open will make this process much easier. Next, we'll use a third-party integration tool to bridge the connection between Notion and Asana. Two popular options for this are Zapier and Automate.io. These tools allow different apps to work in harmony. Head over to your preferred choice and sign in. If you're new to these tools, consider exploring their introductory guides for a better understanding of what they can do. Once you're logged into either Zapier or Automate.io, it's time to link your projects and tasks. Start by setting up a new automation, often referred to as a Zap in Zapier or a bot in Automate.io. You will be prompted to select a trigger app and an action app. In our case, Notion can be the trigger app, while Asana is the action app. This means that an activity starting in Notion will result in a corresponding action in Asana. Alternatively, you could set Asana as the trigger, depending on your workflow requirements. You'll need to choose specific actions, like creating a task in Asana whenever a new entry is made in Notion. Tailor the fields such as task description, due dates, and assignees to match your needs. This is where you can customize how the information flows and ensure it fully aligns with your team's procedures. Finally, it's crucial to sync updates automatically to maintain seamless operations. With your automation set up, every change made in Notion should effortlessly reflect in Asana, and vice versa, depending on how you've structured the integration. Schedule the syncs to occur at intervals that match your project's pace to keep your team informed in real time. Remember, successful integrations require periodic checks. Ensure everything functions as expected by testing the automation. You may need to refine your settings to adapt to new tasks or projects over time. Regular maintenance will guarantee that your integration continues to support your workflow efficiently. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now have a seamless connection between Notion and Asana that helps you and your team stay aligned with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.